Here with another update. We're in the bathroom, so you can kind of see behind me what we're going to be working on. This is what we're going to be doing. What's up, everybody? All right, so what do we have for this Monday's video? Not a whole lot. But a promise is a promise. We still said we're going to throw out a video every single Monday. Sometimes it's going to be one of these that we didn't really have a whole lot going on, but I definitely appreciate you guys for sticking around. And just to let you know, there's some really good stuff coming around the bend, but we're not quite there yet. So what's been going on? We are still working on the bedroom. And here's basically the finished product of the bedroom, because obviously we still need to paint, but we're not going to paint this yet until we start to paint the entire room. There's really no need to do that yet. And for one, we still don't have the paint. We're still working on the bathroom. Here with another update. We're in the bathroom, so you can kind of see behind me what we're going to be working on. This is what we're going to be doing. But before we do that, before we check this out and get to working, and this past weekend, we actually had a birthday party to go to, so we did a little bit of bowling. It was actually one of the kiddos' classmates / boyfriend, I guess. yeah, they're 12 years old, so they don't know what they want in life yet. But anyway, we went to the bowling alley, had a great time. I still have a hurt right shoulder, and I am right-hand dominant. So Gladys and we actually switched arms. So I bowled left-handed, and she bowled right-handed because she is normally left-hand dominant. And yeah, neither one of us did very well. She beat me the first game. I beat her the second game, but whew, man, some horrible scores. And we had the bumpers up because we were playing with the little one. Yeah, so before I jump into showing you guys what the bathroom is looking like and how that's going, I still wanted to talk about our affiliate, Isotunes. So please check out that link down below. And if you have not had a chance to check out the blog that went with that for our daughter, Isotunes had reached out to us to do a blog on their website and all of their social media accounts and all that stuff. Just it's one of the things that they've been reaching out to some of the people that are using their product other than using it as a hearing protection device. So they thought that our daughter was a good choice for that. They reached out to us, did about an hour-long interview, and I'll have that link down in the description, and I'll probably even put that link as the pinned comment to the top. So make sure you go and checking it out. It's pretty cool. 100% of all the money that we earn from that affiliate goes right back into the autism community because we donate it back in. Okay. Bonfire. So, we like to support our local communities, right? Go Ridge Life. And yes, we do have our own merch over on our Bonfire store. So link will be down in the description. Go check it out. Right now we have 4 designs available, and eventually we're going to be getting more stuff. So you're just going to have to check back often to see what campaigns and such that we have. All right. So, all right. But with further ado, let's go ahead and go see what we've been doing in the bathroom. And so far, this is what the restroom is looking like. I still have a few coats that I need to put on the corner. I did not put any type of the metal corner guard on this. It's just the mesh tape that you saw me use in the bedroom. But then I have this piece up here. So I'm probably going to take down this whole thing. That way I can do that. Because for one, this isn't even a moisture wicking type drywall. It's just a standard drywall. So I'm going to put this green board up there since it's going to be close to that. And then I also need to get rid of that piece of crown molding. And I'm going to look and see for that whole piece there, if I can just replace this whole thing. That way it'll just butt there. That way it's only going around like that and then stopping there, instead of putting crown molding all the way around. That way I'm not having to deal with that little corner right there. So I don't know, we'll see. But obviously I still need to get into the corners. A fairly decent gap that I need to fill up there. But yeah, I'm still working on it. Still getting there. I'll probably just put you guys onto a time lapse. Alright, so at some point the time lapse actually stopped, but it's not pretty. But it'll be functional when it's done. So I got the tape up on those, and then some more mud on this corner. But I'm just going to try to shape that the best I can. But I got that all filled in. And then the piece that I was looking at to possibly replace that is actually going to be just a hair too short. So you can see here that this one is kind of spliced in right there. So I'm probably just going to have to replace just that one little piece, and we'll call it good. All right, so if you made it this far, I definitely appreciate you guys. That's really all we got for today. So yeah, the weekends is really my only time to relax, obviously with going to work and then coming home, also trying to do stuff around the house. As of right now, I can only work so much with my shoulder before it really starts to hurt. So a lot of the stuff I was doing today that you've seen, it was really bothering me today. I do have an appointment on the 4th, so hopefully they give me some news that they can fix it of whatever is going on. I'm pretty sure it's rotator cuff, but we'll find out. So, like I said, once again, if you made it this far, definitely appreciate y'all. Click that subscribe if you wouldn't mind. If you're not subscribed already, give us that thumbs up, share us out to your friends, and go ahead and write down in the comments, we want more Gladys. Yeah, I know. The wife sometimes doesn't like being in the videos, but she's coming around. All right, y'all. We'll see y'all in the next one. Bye-bye now.